Los Angeles County Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're thinking about filing for divorce in Los Angeles County, you probably have a lot of questions about the process. What forms to file, where to file them, how long it takes, and whether you have to go to court. The truth is, divorce doesn't have to be complicated, especially if you have a clear understanding of each step. We'll walk you through the divorce process in LA County, step by step. Step 1 is filing your initial paperwork. This includes the petition, summons, and if you have children, the declaration under Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act. These forms officially start your case. You'll need to file them with the appropriate family law courthouse in Los Angeles County, which can be done electronically. Once your case is filed, you'll receive a case number and court-stamped copies. Step 2 is serving your spouse. You can't move forward until your spouse is properly served with the filed paperwork. This must be done by someone over 18 who is not a party to the case. Once service is completed, you'll file a proof of service with the court. From that date, the 6-month waiting period begins. That's the soonest your divorce can be finalized under California law. Step 3 involves financial disclosures. Both parties must complete and exchange their preliminary declaration of disclosure forms, which include information about assets, debts, income, and expenses. These are required even if you and your spouse are in full agreement. Step 4 is preparing and submitting your final judgment package. This includes your marital settlement agreement or stipulated judgment, as well as several mandatory court forms. If everything is completed accurately and both parties have signed, the court will review and approve your judgment. In Los Angeles County, we can e-file this entire package, and in many cases, judgments are approved in just a couple of weeks. We recently helped a couple file for divorce in LA County. They were in agreement on everything, so we handled all their documents, filed the case, completed the disclosures, and submitted the final judgment, all within 3 weeks. The court approved their judgment shortly after, and now they're just waiting for the mandatory 6-month mark to officially finalize the divorce. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, flat-fee divorces throughout Los Angeles County. We handle everything for you. No court appearances, no confusion, and no wasted time. We work 100% remotely and file everything electronically, so you never have to leave your home. If you're ready to start your divorce and want it done right the first time, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll guide you through every step, prepare all the paperwork, and help you move on with your life quickly and affordably.